You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. At Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, go over the market, share some thoughts, and once in a while we'll even share our trade of the day. We're live on YouTube. I got a bunch of guys in the chat. How's everybody doing? Election. Trump wins. Now, here's what makes a Trump presidency excellent for traders. Last Trump presidency, I founded Masters in Trading back in 2015. So 2016 to 2020, we were open for Trump's last presidency. The best thing for traders about a Trump presidency, they always say like loose lips, sinks ships. The thing about Trump, he's gonna tell you where his interests are. If there's going to be upcoming tariffs, he's going to start talking about it. So there are really good trades that can come out just by being aware, using common sense, trading on the edges. So I'm going to go over a bunch of things today. Whenever the market moves, everyone gets excited. Everyone feels like they got to get in the market right away. They're going to miss out on something. I don't want you to feel like that. This is going to be a really good trade in the next couple of months, but it's not going to be a really good trade for those who are overly invested and are waiting for the market to do what the market's going to do. This will be an excellent trade for those who lock in profits, who keep dry powder, and because we're going to see a lot of volatility and a lot of nonsensical moves, you're going to want that dry powder to get on some really, really good trades. Let's go to the slide deck. I got a whole bunch to cover. These are my favorite trades when the market's moving, a whole bunch. So let's get started. Q. We're going to start right here, and I'm on a monthly. That's right, I'm on a monthly. Why are we on a monthly? Because we're moving a ton. November 6th. November 2024, high, 503.79. The high of July, 503.52. The high of October, 501.35. We always want a line in the sand. The line in the sand right now, and I'll show you this because I shared it in our Discord room. Right here. The last 2 weeks, the high in the QQQs, 501.35 and 538. This is your line in the sand. Make sense? Keep it simple. So watch. So weekly, the high today is the same high that we've already talked about in July. The line in the sand that I am watching is last week's high, the previous week's high. You can even go the previous week's high. Any sustained trade underneath, the market is going to pull back. Okay? I know everybody's saying it's strong. I know the Dow's up 1,300 points. 501. If we go under there, then I want you to watch the VIX 9D. If the VIX 9D starts to rally, we should sell off. Rather than the Qs, IWM, I believe, is the strongest on any pullbacks. IWM is the Russell. We've been talking about the Russell in our community. I wouldn't be surprised if we take a shot at getting up to this 244, but we are bullish on the Russell. We are buying the Russell, maybe on pullbacks if we see them. Let's get to the slide deck. Here is my message to the room this morning. Okay, I am I've seen this movie so many times. Be active. This is not the time to wait for home runs. Get on Prince. If you're up 25%, what does get on Prince mean? If you're long a stock from 15 and it goes to 20, and if you think that darn stock is going to go to 40, I want you to get on Prince. If you're long 500, getting on Prince means you sell 100. You don't have to sell a ton of them, but get on Prince. Why? So if it goes offered, you're buying 100 because you might still be right at 40, but you got to get on Prince in this environment. Don't believe the market. What that means, don't think that the market will go straight up. Use that line in the sand. The line in the sand is 501. Above, bullish. Below, bearish. Nobody knows where to value things. I was a market maker. When the market moves this fast, nobody knows where to value. So therefore, get on Prince when your positions get in the money. It's a money management trade. Tranche in 3-time losers. If you buy a stock or if you buy an option for $1 and that option's trading for 50 cents, buy one and then you buy two. We want a cost average. We want a tranche. Again, get on Prince. Again, be active. Roll up those sleeves. Roll up those sleeves means things are going to move, so get on Prince. Not the day to be patient. Ask questions in our Discord. Support one another. No negativity. Don't have a strong fundamental position. Follow unusual option activity. If earnings aren't released, that's the only time you should be patient. We still have the Fed meeting ahead. Expect volatility. Follow VIX term structure. Be confident. Do not chase. And the fear of missing out is something that you have in your own mind. It is not real. This is my strong advice for everybody out there looking to trade this market. I missed a freaking trade, guys. I am so sorry. I missed the trade. I am so pissed about this. We have our VIX trading system. We call this the mother of all buy systems. We don't get buys very much on this. We got a buy here back in August. It was great for 100 points in the S&Ps. Monday, we got another buy signal. I didn't see it. I was too busy. Some in our community saw it. Ken's been with me since 2017. Trust the tools. Spike buy from Monday has made it a huge payday once again. Here's the payday. I missed it. Ken, great trade. Some others in our Discord didn't miss it. So kudos to you guys. Fat Buddha. This makes me happy, guys. That's a smiley face. My best options trade of my life. Fucking yeah. Best option trade of my life. $8,330. Heck of a trade. Brian had a really fun trade. These trades, if you can buy these for 13 cents, it's $13. You can buy 10 of them for $130, but you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to get a big fat reward. So great trade, guys. And to all my Discord members, I owe you an apology because I should have been recommending this trade when Ken was on there because the mother of all buy signals. So my apologies. Satellite communication sector. Okay, this says communication in very, very poor penmanship. If you go to masterthantrading.com, I just posted a new blog post. And this blog post is going to cover the satellite communication stocks. Now, I love looking at specific industries. And satellite communications, these are the 7 tradable satellite communication companies. Now, Gogo might be the one that we're most familiar with. That gives us the horrible Wi-Fi on the plane. Yesterday, it was up 31%. But if we look at this industry as a whole, here's what you really want to be looking at when you're analyzing an industry. The market caps. Who are the players in this industry? TSAT. Okay, it's a little baby. That's why the beta is so high. I'm surprised it's actually at a low implied volatility, but here's what you want to do. Follow the industry. This is a fast-growing industry. These names continue to pop up on our unusual option activity scanner. And if we look at Gogo, this was yesterday, up 33%. But also, here are all of them. Gogo, IRDM, SATS, VSAT, GSAT. Follow these names and look at them relative to one another. As sats get super expensive in rallies, Gogo, we might see the others rally as well. Follow the entire sector and buy what's inexpensive, and at times you might even sell what's expensive. If you can go back and watch that beginning part about the rules for this kind of trade, I think it'll really help you. Be confident, be patient, be active. Expect moves that aren't really possible, but you want to have dry powder. You want to be able to make trades after these big moves because most of them are going to be a bunch of hogwash. Thanks for watching. I'll see you live tomorrow. All access. You guys don't go anywhere. Okay, this is going to be for all access, and a question popped up on the Discord. Let me just check the ticker.